But look how cute. Baby hognose snake. Hi, buddy. Yeah, no huff and puff. Really pretty. Yeah, they'll do this little bluff strike. Just to kind of spook you a little bit. But like I said, they don't really bite. It's pretty rare to get bit by an eastern hog. But cool. Perfect time. Hogtober hognose. Alright, so I'm going to bring this snake carefully. Alright, just brought this guy across the trail. And I'm going to hide him right in this grass, just to make sure he doesn't get eaten by any predators. Alright, hopefully the snake lives a happy, healthy life. See you later, buddy.